Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing a plan with me for the week of November 11th. And to start us off, I thought I would go ahead and change out the cover of my planner. I went with this one that says it's the most wonderful time of the year. I thought it was a little bit Christmassy, but not too Christmassy, so it was perfect for this time of the year. And I'm just going through and I decided to put a Veterans Day sticker down because I feel like it's really important to recognize Veterans Day. And I just want to say thank you to all of our veterans out there. But then also getting into the stickers here, I decided to go with this kit, and for some reason I thought I had used this kit in the past, and when I was flipping through the pages, I realized there was only maybe like 1 or 2 stickers missing from it, which was actually kind of odd. So I decided to go ahead and use this kit because it did seem like a pretty full kit to use, which means it was pretty easy to plan this week. And I'm just kind of going through and laying down the basics for this one, just laying down the big washi strip and a little bit of a decorative sticker there at the top left. And then I always include a workout sticker. I like to record the different workouts that I do each day. And then I went ahead into my Erin Condren sticker books to find a couple of pieces of washi to put at the top. I like to kind of separate the top bit right there so I can write down the different temperatures, the lows and highs of the day. But I do want to point out that I am filming this on a Saturday. I typically kind of like backlog when I plan. A lot of times I will wait till the end of the week before I go through my planner and kind of quote decorate it. The reason I do this is just because I don't like to go back through my planner and cross out things that I don't do. I tend to overplan or kind of think of too many things that I could accomplish in a day when in reality there's only a handful of things that I can do. So I like to go in at the end of the week and just record what I was able to accomplish. So for example, on Monday I was able to order groceries, make dinner, tidy up the apartment a bit, and then do some laundry. And that's essentially all I did on Monday besides go to work. I do work full time. Then on Tuesday I was able to go ahead and film a video. Erin Condren had some new focused collection items coming out, so I wanted to go ahead and get that video filmed so I could get it up on Thursday. I did a lot of freelance work on Tuesday as well, and then I just edited another video. That's essentially what I do in the evenings, is I either work out, film videos, work on freelance stuff, or just kind of relax, and that's essentially my whole day. On Wednesday though, I've decided, I don't know, I have this weird idea that I want to get up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Don't ask me why, but on Wednesday I was easily able to do it. I was actually awake at 4:30 in the morning for some reason, but I got out of bed at 6. I was able to get to work pretty early that morning. I worked out in the afternoon. Sean and I watched TV, and then we just kind of like prepped and relaxed for the next day. I do include a to-do list in the left side of my planner just to kind of track all the little things that I need to get done for the week. And then I also have a little cleaning list as well, and the only thing that I have on my list this week is the bathroom because it needs to get done. On Thursday, I had work all day again, and then I was able to work out after work. And then I did a lot of freelance work again. I do have a couple of clients that I work with regularly, and with them I do have a jam-packed schedule right now. So I've been focusing a lot on my freelance work. And then also I was editing another video for our vlog channel that evening. If you guys don't know, Sean and I do have a family vlogging channel. We upload every Friday at 9 a.m. So I was just quickly editing a video for that. And then on Friday, I worked until 4, and then my boss is actually leaving, so we had a going away party for him, which was really nice. And then after that, Sean and I actually went to Taco Bell. We just wanted some quick food. We were going over to a friend's house that evening to kind of hang out with them and play a couple of video games, which was really fun. And then on Saturday morning, I actually slept in. We got up at 8:30? No, 9:30, 10, I don't remember. It was pretty late. And then I sat down to film this Plan With Me video. And I love planning with you guys. I love recording it. And then Sean and I actually spent 2 hours cleaning, and then we're setting up the Christmas tree, which is super exciting. I don't know about you guys, but it doesn't feel like Thanksgiving unless the Christmas tree is up. I know that kind of sounds odd, but I love the holiday season. I love it to feel festive, and it just doesn't feel festive enough if the Christmas tree isn't up. So that is very important. I love setting it up. And then I have a bunch of to-dos to get done. I want to make sure to work out on Sunday. I've mentioned this before, but typically on the weekends, I just kind of write my to-dos either on Saturday or Sunday just because I know that my plans are going to change, and I'm okay with that because it is the weekend. I know if I don't get it done on Saturday, I will get it done on Sunday, and if I get it done on Saturday, then I have some free time on Sunday, which is really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed getting to see this plan with me video. Make sure to follow me on my planner Instagram if you guys are interested to see some more details, but I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!